Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to delete a Word document, first locate it. Open File Explorer or Finder and navigate to the folder containing the docx or doc. If Word is open, close the app. Locks prevent deletion. Once done, verify the document name and path so you delete the right file. Mistakes can be costly. Make sure hidden items are visible if the file seems missing. Now you have the file selected and the environment cleared. Proceed to the removal step. You'll perform the deletion itself. Select the file and press delete, or right-click and choose delete to move it to the recycle bin. This is reversible, which is safer. If you want permanent removal, press Shift plus delete. This skips the recycle bin, so be certain. Once deleted, open the recycle bin to confirm and then choose empty recycle bin if you want the space recovered. Make sure you have any backups you need before emptying, because recovery becomes harder afterward. Finish up by confirming free space and that the document no longer appears in searches. This confirms success. If deletion failed, don't panic. Close any apps that might use the file or restart the laptop to release locks. Once restarted, try deletion again. If the file is still locked, use Task Manager to end suspicious processes or boot to safe mode and delete. As a last resort, use a reputable file unlocker utility. However, make sure you trust the tool before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.